one of my guilty pleasures when I run errands is every now and then I will stop at Starbucks and grab me a drink, hot or cold. But right now I am fiending on their hazelnut oat milk shaken espresso. So when OutIn reached out to me about trying their Nano Espresso portable machine, I was like, yeah, let's do that. I'm down like four flat tires because have y'all seen the prices of the drinks at Starbucks? And let's not forget the other things that we are also have to be aware of, especially in this 2025 year of so many changes and unpredictability. But that's neither, well, no, that is here and there. But I was so excited to try this because I am not great at making espressos. I am definitely not a barista. So making a good shot of espresso was like ridiculously hard. Not anymore with this Nano Espresso portable. Oh my God, it is the bomb. Okay, first of all, it makes a shot of espresso that will put hairs on your chest, at least mine. But that may be saying something about my level of caffeination. I can't do a lot. But it is a great shot of espresso, which has upped the level of my copycat hazelnut oat milk shaken espresso. Your girl tastes like she has been my drink now tastes like I have been working at Starbucks because of this out in nano espresso portable machine. It is so compact. I don't have to use anything except this to make the perfect drink morning, noon, or night. Okay? And that's another great thing because it is so powerful. It is compact. It has everything you need to make a perfect espresso shot. I don't have to worry about whether or not there is a Starbucks in the area that I am heading because I know I'm going to get a great shot of espresso to make my own drink in the comfort of Nina Simone. Y'all, can we say winning? Winning. Out in you all did your thing with this Nano Espresso portable machine. It is one just freaking amazing, but it's so cute and it takes up so little space in Nina Simone. I am loving it. I am loving it. I am so very grateful. But time is getting away from me. So let me get this drink made so that I can get it in my system, get a little caffeine, get these errands run so that I can start making Thanksgiving dinner for me and my daughter. All right. So if you've been thinking about getting an espresso machine or gifting someone an espresso machine that loves coffee, I'm going to make sure you have the link in my bio so that you can make that purchase. Don't walk, run. It really is that good. Mm, mm.
just have a return. Hope you can help me. Nothing is wrong with them. Okay. No, it's not often these days that you actually go into a store and actually feel welcome. Not only welcome, but you get someone who has excellent customer service skills. My ladies, her name, that is her name, over at this Sally Beauty Supply. I'm here in Florida, Tampa, Florida. I will definitely come back and shop at that store. I might even come back to that store just to peruse it because she is so nice.